Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Hey all! You might have guessed by now, today I'm going to show you some interesting Christmas crafts. Welcome to SparkleBox. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, please go through it. I'm sure you'll be loving the content. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. Without further delay, let's get started with our today's DIY. Give it a try yourself and share your thoughts about this video in the comment section below. I will be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, let's stay connected